yeah, something who's your guy. Now only me you alive. As we play like beans and rice, I will never leave your side. I will never, I dedicate. Daddy, get to you, my guy. Even if you know mine. Hey, cause you be my chief. The president, general among the day. President. Show the Kamo State. Kamo State. Kamo State. Okay, get the Kamo State. Okay, get the Kamo State. President,
Hi babe, good morning. I hope you're good. Okay, so today is such a big day. Like for real, it is a big day for us, for our family, because we're starting this journey of love together on this day that the Lord has made. God is good. God has been so good to us. God has been so good to our families. Our families will get to know each other today, and I am super happy and excited for real. I pray that God will make you a great man. I pray that you'll be the husband that the heaven has made you to be for me. I pray that our families will be happy. We'll have so much joy. We'll be the source of happiness for our families. We'll be the source of joy for them. And they